Bust or bad vibes. Zimdancehall icon Shinsoman reportedly arrested over Mbanje. The Zimdancehall scene is buzzing this week following reports that the Dancehall Father, Shinsoman Romeo Anthony, has been detained by law enforcement. Early reports suggest the Baba Devante hitmaker was caught in possession of, or using, marijuana, locally known as Mbanje. While the artist is known for his high-energy performances and husky vocals, this latest run-in with the law has sparked a massive debate across social media platforms like TikTok and Facebook. What we know so far. Details are still trickling in, but here is the breakdown of the situation. The incident. Security sources suggest the arrest took place during a routine patrol search where the artist was found with the illegal substance. The reaction. Fans are divided. Some are calling for free Shinso, arguing that marijuana should be decriminalized for personal use, while others express disappointment, noting that public figures should lead by example, especially given the current national crackdown on drug abuse. Official statement. We are still waiting for a formal statement from Shinsoman's management team or the Zimbabwe Republic Police (ZRP) regarding the exact charges and bail status. The bigger picture. Drug laws in Zimbabwe. This arrest comes at a time when authorities have intensified the fight against drug and substance abuse under the Operation Clean Up banner. Despite the government legalizing cannabis for medicinal and industrial purposes, recreational use and possession remain strictly illegal and punishable by law. Is this just a minor setback for the Majarazi singer, or will it affect his upcoming show bookings? We'll be keeping a close eye on the courts. What do you think, Chero TV fam? Is it time for Zimbabwe to rethink its laws on Mbanje, or should celebrities face the full wrath of the law? Let us know in the comments. Down finger. Hashtag Chero TV, hashtag Shinsoman, hashtag Zimdancehall, hashtag Zim Celebrities, hashtag ZRP, hashtag Free Shinso, hashtag Zimbabwe News, hashtag Mbanje, hashtag Drug Abuse Awareness, hashtag Zim Music, hashtag Trending Now Zim.